In today's video, we'll learn how to update Instagram messages. With the update of Instagram messages, now you can perform various tasks with it, such as messaging from Instagram to Messenger, which is the cross messaging function. Now, if you don't yet have that option or that feature on your Messenger, what you can do is you just update the app of Instagram, open up your Play Store or the App Store, and just search for Instagram. Now many people get that cross-messaging platform and all the new updates without having to update. But if you still don't have, make sure you have updated and tap on update. Once you update it, and if you still don't have that feature, what you can do is just tap on this Instagram logo right here, and you can join the beta version of Instagram. So beta versions are the latest versions which has all the latest features. So you can just tap on join option right here, and you will be able to join the beta version. This way you'd have all the new features, which includes the cross messaging and the updated Instagram Messenger. So I hope this video helped. If it did, subscribe and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.